Hey all, so this is still Natalie from Serpstat. Welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, we'll still be discussing about Serpstat, of course, but we have finished the AI content tools list. So what we'll be discussing today is a whole different tool. Although just a heads up, this tool we also won't be able to fully utilize. So I just want to give you a quick idea of what it is and what you can expect or how you can expect it to work for you. So here, of course, we have the projects dashboard for Serpstat. As you can see here, Serpstat.com grouped under SEO category, and then the different metrics that we have set up for this specific project. So going here on the sidebar, we have, or you can see here, the keyword trends feature. So click on that. You can see it is because of the limitation of our account, but still, not everyone, when visiting Serpstat, not everyone can access the dashboard per se. So this is actually, for those who are interested in at least getting an idea of what Serpstat offers, and this is a good way to have a look at what they offer and what you can access once you have a subscription with them. So for keywords trend, the thing about this tool is that it helps you um it shows the most popular queries for a selected city and country so that you can get that data for the selected period. So for example, you can filter that out if you want to just view results for the day or for a whole month. So that will all be depending on the requirements that you have or your preferences, of course. So the information here is updated in real time, and you can identify the most trending keywords and use them on the site so that you can further increase the traffic incoming into your website. So right here it says that this tool is not available for our type of subscription. So we have to actually upgrade the subscription, and in order to do so, you can click on here or click here on the top part just beside the search bar so that you can view the different subscriptions or options for a subscription upgrade. So but here they have provided us at least a screenshot of what the tool would look like if we are able to fully access it. So here we have the different search engine databases. So depending on the country that you want to, let's say, target or have more information about, so you can select tick the boxes on the side here so that you can target that specific search engine database. So if we're going to be using this, of course, we'll be ticking the United Kingdom search engine database because we are based, of course, in the United Kingdom. Maybe also the USA search engine database because just so we have a further or a wider idea rather about the different trends, keyword trending on those specific search engine databases. So here we have the list for trends keywords that are depending. As you can see, the ones showing here are the ones ticked on this side, so that you can be sure that you're getting the most updated keyword trends as they happen on that specific country. So here we have the different keywords. We have the country, city, language, and date. So those are things that you want to take note of. Of course, you can also increase the number of items that you can see on the page. And then here you have some buttons that allows you to copy to clipboard, filter, or that you can also export the file or the results into a different type of file so that you won't have to access the tool just so you can see the results. Of course, by exporting the file, you'll be able to view it in a more accessible manner. So that's it for keyword trends. So if you want to sample or if you want to utilize this tool firsthand, of course, head on over to serpstat.com now so that you can take it or that you can create an account and choose a subscription that is that is right for this specific tool that you want to use. So that's it for our video for today. Of course, before I let you all go, just want to give you or just want to give a quick PSA about this actionable free SEO audit that we have in Serpis. So please do take advantage of this one. After this video, please head on over to Serpis.com so that you can get that SEO audit in less than, it's only gonna take less than a minute. So it's not gonna take much, no effort from you at all. Just go to the website, fill out this form so that you can get started on your Serpis journey as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next video.